Nah, this matrix we won't learn now, don't get part two, but you just need to, focus. Okay, Moko do. Now, we want to quickly go through this matrix, and this matrix, if you look at it, it's a 2 by 4 matrix. So 2 by 4, and this is the row that's 2 rows, 4 column. Sorry, this is supposed to be 4. 2 by 4. Now this row 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 rows by how many column? Just 1. So this a 2 by 4. 2 by 4. This 4 rows, 1 column. So let's see let's see if it's possible to multiply A times B. A times B. Let's see. The number of column of the first must be the same as the number of row of the second. So yes, it is possible. So since it is possible, let's go and do it. Okay. Now to do it, of course, it will be first row times first column. First row, first column. First row, second column. No column. So that's all. Now the next is second row, first column. Second row, first column. Then second row, no other column. So the answer is going to be like this. You get that? So let's work it out now. Okay? So now first row is this. First column is this. So it's going to be 3 times minus 1 plus 1 times 0 plus 2 times 2 plus 2 times 1. Okay? Then the next, we've done that. The next is second row by first column. Second row, first column. 0 times 1 plus 2 times 0 plus 1 times minus 2. 1 times 2 and plus 3 times 1. So once you do this, we are done with the answer. So you have this 3 plus 0, that's 3, plus 4, 7, plus 2, 9. So we have 9. Then 0 plus 0, that's 0, plus 2, 2, 2 plus 3, 5. So answer is 9 and 5. So now we have a 2 row, 1 column. So let's see if it works. 2 row, 1 column. So that's the answer. So that perfectly works, right? Okay, now let's quickly go through another example and see what we can get out of that. Okay, quickly, I'm going to put on the question. We have A equals to 3, 1, 5, and B equals to, let's go 1, 0, minus 1, and let's go 2, 1, 0, and let's go 0, 3, minus 1. Okay, now to multiply this, we still just quickly check. Let's check if we can actually multiply it. Okay, so we have, this is 1 row, 3 columns. So this is 1 by 3, and this is 3 rows, 1, 2, 3 by 3 column. Okay, so because the number of column of the first is equal to number of row, then yes, we can multiply it. So A times B is going to be first row, that's row by column, first row, the first row by first column, first row by first column, then first row by second column, first row by second column, then first row by third column, first row by third column. Now, no other row, so that means our answer stops here. Answer is going to look like this. So let's do it. First row, first column, first row, first column. So that's 3 times 1 plus 1 times 2 plus 5 times 0. Okay, so we've done with the first one. Then the second one, first row, second column. So that's 3 times 0 plus 1 times 1 plus 5 times 3. Okay, we're done with that. So first row, third column, first row, third column. 3 times minus 1 plus 1 times 0 plus 5 times minus 1. Okay, so that means our answer is just going to be like that. Okay, so that gives us This 3 plus 2, that's 5. That's 5. Then 0 plus 1, 1 plus 15, that's 16. And minus 3, 0, minus 3 plus minus 5, that's minus 8. Okay, so our answer is 1 row, 3 column, 1 by 3. Let's see if it works. 1 by 3. It does! Jackpot! You can always contact me. Bye.